In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailerlite in 2025 step by step. We're going to walk through the basic setup, where everything is located inside the dashboard, and how to create your first email campaign and automation. If you're brand new to Mailerlite, this is a great place to start. First, open Mailerlite and either log into your account or create one if you haven't signed up yet. During the setup process, make sure you complete the initial account setup and verify your email and domain. This part is important because it helps improve deliverability and allows you to send campaigns properly. Once you're inside, take a moment to understand the dashboard. The main sections you'll be working with are subscribers, campaigns, forms, automations, sites, integrations, and file manager. Subscribers is where you manage your contacts. Campaigns is where you create and send emails. Forms helps you collect new subscribers. Automations is for sequences and workflows. Sites is where you can manage landing pages or websites. Integrations connects Mailerlite with other tools. And File Manager stores your uploaded assets like images. Next, go to Subscribers and click Add Subscribers. You can import contacts using a CSV or TXT file, copy and paste them from a spreadsheet, or add them manually one by one. This gives you flexibility depending on how your list is currently stored. After that, head to Subscribers, then Groups, and create a group to organize your contacts. This is useful for keeping your audience sorted by purpose, such as a newsletter list, new leads, or customers. Now go to Forms and create a sign-up form so visitors can join your email list. Customize the form to match your brand, then connect it to the correct subscriber group so new signups are added to the right place automatically. When you're ready to send an email, go to Campaigns and click Create. Choose Regular Campaign, then decide whether to start from a template or build from scratch. If you're a beginner, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest option. Design your email by adding text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you need. You can also adjust the layout and fonts to fit your style. Once everything looks right, click Done Editing. Next, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that should receive the email. You also have the option to exclude certain groups or segments if needed. Before sending, preview the email carefully. Check how it looks on different screen sizes, test your links, and send yourself a test email. This small step can help you catch mistakes before your audience sees them. Then review the campaign details and either send the email right away or schedule it for a later date and time. To build an automated sequence, go to Automations and select Create Workflow. Choose a trigger like Joins a Group,